here today.
Just clap for yourself.
Hi, my name's
Kateba.
Kateba.
Kateba kitegeza omuntu yateebwa omukisa.
Kateba is somebody who has a blessing.
Omuntu yateebwa sente.
Somebody who has seeked for money.
Yateebwa obulamu obweragaza.
And then he seeked for good life.
Ne yateebwa obulokozi.
And also salvation from the Lord. That's the meaning of Kateba. I thank God because I'm a little bit different. When I went and learned how to make all these products before you, and I came back to Uganda, I looked for 180 children, and I taught them how to make these things free of charge. You can't clap for that and yet you are not able to do that. Why did I do that? I was fearful. When I die, this business can easily collapse. I decided to give knowledge to other people. I thank God even when I'm not there, these things can still be manufactured. At the factory I'm not there, but soda can come out, tiliums can come out, and all of those I taught them free of charge. How many of you have entered here while you paid at the door? Did you pay an entry fee? No. And later I'm going to teach you in 2 months or 3, you will be entering 3 million and above. You have eaten, you have drunk, and you are working at a narrow place. I want to open up your mind. I want you to get out your head. Get out your book. Your life will change, and it will change the life of other people. In your village to change, your family to change. You don't need these MPs. You don't need cancer. When government has brought in peace, and then as people, we change our mindset. We can easily develop our villages. That's why we brought in our slogan, investing in the community. Investing in the community. So when I say Sao, investing in the community, you say investing in the community. So investing in the community. Investing in the community. You say investing in the community with the soil, and then you step on the ground. Then the soil will be softened. So investing in the community. This one, which is more heavier than this, is 40,000. If you have started with only 3 rabbits, you will only wait for 8 months. Then you have 1,000 rabbits. 1,000 rabbits. South Uganda buys them at 20,000 shillings. If you get 20 million shillings, you divide by 3 months. 8 months. Divided by 8 months. How much money is that for 8 months? 20 million in 8 months. When they begin to produce and produce and produce, in 8 months that begin with, you have over 1,000 rabbits. When we buy each rabbit at 20,000 shillings, in 8 months, how much money do you enter every day? Every month? 2.5 million. Just clap for yourself. After every month. You can bring what? Cabbage refuse leaves. Every month, how much can he take? How much can a person collect these cabbage leaves from the market? How much money can he take every month?
50,000.
50,000.
That is 100,000.
Maybe right 100,000.
But what a million is
Then 2.5 million remove something like 100,000 for the person who collects these refuse. Then they put a border who transports these refuse from 200,000. Then there could be others which have died. Yes, there are others which died. Every month you can remain with 2 million shillings. That means you don't rear rabbits once and bring them once. Every 3 months keep bringing. Every 2 months keep bringing. After 4 months keep bringing as well. You just build houses like those and then the rabbits can be in there. You could be a teacher here. You could be a farmer. You could be having a shop. You could be a pastor. You are a shaker. And you could be having somewhere where you do business of rearing rabbits. And every month you get 2 million shillings. All those teachers who normally keep making noise. I have already asked government to ask to raise for you salaries. All these doctors, MPs and all people you are powerful to rear should be bought from there. And they give you a receipt. So that's the beginning. That is rabbitary eating. We are going to some herbs and spices. We are dealing in herbs and spices. Just remove all those items. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices, right? Herbs and spices. In herbs and spices, king of herbs and spices. We have what we call the king of herbs and spices. Yeah, rosemary. That is rosemary. 10 years ago, he had known about rosemary. Rosemary has stayed here for over 7,000 years now. Hello. Hello. Yes, Christ. The time Christ was born, the wise men and they took to him what we call the moon. And then they took him something called Swiss Mary. Yeah, rosemary. That is rosemary. Are we there? Rosemary, we have about 24 products. But South Uganda, we only make 12 products out of it. We make air fresheners. We make perfume out of it. These are the ones you see. We make essential oil out of it. I want you to spray this perfume which is so natural. When you spray it in your house, I mean in your clothes, it stays there for a month without any wash. It's just natural. We are going to make a factory in this place. Because most of the money the Chinese have been making, they have been getting it from medicine and then cosmetics. When you go to our supermarkets here and even in Kampala, when you go to our supermarkets in Bali, all the perfumes that are there, they are from outside. Who knows that? Who knows that? So perfume we are going to make it here right in Uganda. All the money that has been going out, we are going to make that money to buy rosemary from people. That means one factor alone, it can enter us 1 million in here. Hello? Hello? How many of you buy things from the supermarkets? You are so expensive. How many of you use perfume daily? Where are you? We make what we call essential oil. Essential oil which is a preservative as well. We put in this oil. Rosemary oil mix. That is what we call rosemary oil mix. Rosemary oil mix. Rosemary oil mix. It tightens the body. Somebody who is aged can easily look like even when you have cracks in the body. If you have some rashes around this age, all those who have grown bald here, when you cut the beard, this is the oil acting as an aftershave. It can act as an aftershave. It is natural. It works on the faces of old and young. Because we make it from our things from here. I want you to first check it and you see.
Very nice.
Who brought for me these mangoes? I want him to come here. In Rosemary, we make mouthwash. You go to our net. That means you write the word Rosemary benefits. Or you write it's Rosemary essential benefits. Those who have painful tooth. All those who have decaying teeth. This is what we can use as mouthwash. Within 2-3 minutes, you have treated your teeth already. In Rosemary, we make tea leaves. All those who have pressure, all those who have ulcer, this tea is from rosemary. We have gone to another thing.
Herbs and spices.
In herbs and spices, we have what we call white modia. White modia. In English we call it white modia. White modia makes 7 things in the body. 1, it opens up those cells that are blocked due to fat, so that you, a man, gets strength. You need to eat white modia. But the times of eating white modia are just like roots. That's why we make juice out of it. We make juice out of it. Every man who is present here, you have to buy this and put in your coat. Any man who is here, any man who to me, if you want this business to move well, then it begins from the bedroom. If you want mommy at home to look after the rabbits and the children well, the business begins in the bedroom. But if the woman comes out of the bedroom while annoyed, he is going to tell the children that are the rabbits of the woman. That's the rabbits of the father. He will call the rabbits of the father. Those are the rabbits of your father. But when you come out, why it is okay? My children, have you looked after our rabbits? Any man with a coat here, I want to see this clear plus in your coat. In your coat. Who has put in the coat? Just put it in your coat. White modia, it builds up those body cells and they begin fighting diseases. Are we there? In Rosemary, we make what we call aftershave. Where are those men who always shave their beards? Just put it in your beards. Pass it over your beard. We thank God this one is a pastor. Hello, Musumba, this is really a bad generation. These people of the saloons, he gets a jerrycan of water, then he gets a glass of water, then he gets spirit, then he puts in a jerrycan of water, then he begins shaking. Each time he shakes, he makes water to pass over your beard. This is a generation which is bad. You find the pastor has been smeared with warrant the whole face. But we are not making it that for you don't have it. All those women who have beards as well, you can also pass over that oil. That side of Namakwekwe. And they also shave. That's well to me and I see you over there. Are we there? We have what we call straw dollar. But straw dollar is a preservative. But we also have another one called chamomile. Are you writing? Are you writing?
Herbs and spices.
All those are herbs and spices that we are going to grow. Say chamomile. Say chamomile. Say hi.
Nutmeg.
We have what we call nutmeg.
Chamomile.
Chamomile.
Nutmeg.
Then nutmeg. Nutmeg.
Black seed.
We have nutmeg and black seed.
Cloves.
We have what we call cloves. Every toothpaste that you know,
70% cloves.
70% of it is out of cloves.
Cloves.
A kilo of cloves.
South Uganda
buys it at 80,000 shillings. 1 acre gives you 28 million after every 4 months. Who has understood that? We are going first of all to take focus on rosemary. Do you see this corridor where we pass through? This corridor where you pass through. It can help you plant over 400 seedlings of rosemary. Are we there?
Rosemary
after 8 months, you begin cutting it. When you cut it for the first time, when you have planted it in this corner, you can get over 1 million shillings out of it. After every 2 months, you keep cutting. Every 2 months to 4 months, you keep cutting. For over 7 years while you are harvesting. While you are only, how many of you are going to plant rosemary? There are seedlings behind there. You take them from here, they give you a receipt. It is a must, we are the ones to buy that rosemary just after. We are going to another thing. We have what we call beetroot. Who knows what beetroot is? Who knows what is rice?
Pumpkin seed.
Or pumpkin seeds. Here, it is a must. By law, you must take all those seeds of the pumpkins daily. You must take. So that you can have over 80 years while you are still in bed. But when we saw it was we were unable, so that you cannot eat pumpkin seeds, then we made porridge from it. If you have taken just 1 cup of this porridge, you are equivalent to somebody who has eaten a full bucket of these seedlings of seeds of pumpkins. Porridge is only at 10,000 shillings from here. Just take and pour porridge. Just like you make porridge, take some, put some, put there some milk, then it will be nice for you. You will be taking it nicely. You will be drinking it while nicely, while you are treating your body. What we call nutmeg, in Uganda they call it kokomanga. That is the only seed that fights cancer in the body. That one from, you can put it in water, you put it in tea, put it in milk. You take it just like you use tea leaves. they have left. When you plant rosemary, rosemary is bought by South Uganda. Then we make all these products out of rosemary. Yesterday we were here while we are launching the nursery operators. We have given them their certificates and they will start supplying seedlings to us. They have entered in a club of the rich men. How many were here and yesterday you got a certificate for a nursery bed? Just listen to me. Go and do the right thing. Within 2 months or 3 months, in every 2 months every month it will be making over 10 million shillings. Within a season where there is rain, South Uganda will be the one buying the seedlings. Then we sell them to our outgrowers. They have left. I have gone to our saving book. South Uganda will give you a loan without interest. We call it Sao Fund. Sao Fund. We ask why. These countries of the Arabians, they have gone in growing a lot. Even our own children from here, they leave the best land in Bugisi here, and they go and wash the toilets in Arabia. They go and even keep the dogs. So basically, it is only to keep the only people in Saudi Arabia, to look after them. Just a degree. Just to look after pussy. A pussycat. Who knows that? That's what our children do. You think they go and work in the office in Saudi? Anybody who is a bit like a ghost. I've never seen an Indian houseboy or even making chapati on the streets. It is as was the we have everything that is good. Everything is in good life. But people live this land of Africa. Others even die daily. They live Uganda every day. But it was possible so that as Africans do something in this good land that God gave us, so that we can take them forward, so that they can also give us much. It was a dream. It was overseen. But we thank God because it has come to pass. People are planting rosemary. They are praying. We are making out of it. We take them to Germany. We take them to UK. We take them to South Africa. We take them to Congo. Then those children work in Ugandan shops. Then they collect all the money and send it back here to Uganda. So that I want you to join me now. All of you from Busia. All from Busia. All those of you who are in Uganda. Every day.
Trailer is where more than 500.
Over 500 trucks. They are from Kenya. They have carried merchandise. All spoil our road. They bring here merchandise. They bring from Sudan. Then they take all our wealth.
Hello.
Hello.
Uganda,
what has it take to Kenya every day?
Uganda, China.
What has it to take to China every day? This good land that God gave us from Uganda here. We thank God because South Uganda is making it. So that join us, we use this soil that God has given us. So that we plant food, we add value to it, we take it to China, we take it to India, we can get all the money they have there without interest. Every member of South Africa while you are having your life, then you have a rabbit.
so basebera banyawo mwena abatulaba twebaza mukama tubadde bano Mbale nga tulunkinga seedlings tugenda okulemesa abanyayuganda nga tukolamu eddagala ly'amannyo ekitwatumye sawo so mwena baga kutegata okukola eddagala ly'amannyo omuddo ogumaze okufuluma osimba ekiremu y'omuddo guno kiremu enkalu tujugula omutwalo ate kiremu empisi tujugula emisu 50 mudo tugetegera ddala kubanga abanyayuganda abangi 90% basenya amanyi so twegatteko bansooga twegatteko bayi Uganda build Uganda ng'ebintu tubirimira wano ku ttaka lyaffe tubigattako omutindo wano ate tukukoleseza wano Katonda yali mugezi tasobola kutonda omuntu nga muddugavu wano ate eddagala eriwonya omuddugavu n'atondera mu China tikiriiyo ettaka lino eryaffe lyonna lyatwa Uganda tusobola kulimako ebintu ebitulabirira olubeerera mukaba pere kusanga mutulaba muyigatta ku South Uganda logwavu bukuluma lupe ku South Uganda yugo okukola South Uganda yegatte kirasi zaffe buli mande tubeera kyengera kirasi ya tegeera mangu otambule blog yagaza ate na bulwa kutaano tubeera Mbale sawa 3 mukaba pere sente